Shannon, thanks so much for joining us today. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Tell us about your role at Wavemaker.
Sure. So I started at Wavemaker in 2014 as the president of digital for MEC, actually, for North America, which was an amazing role to have for about 3 years. And then most recently moved into being president of L'Équipe L'Oréal. So I oversee the L'Oréal business in the United States.
So, our business is always changing, and we've all been through these shifts before. This one is a little different, though, right? Because mobile, it's not just another medium. It sounds like we've done a lot of these interviews this year, and our clients are telling us that it's fundamentally changing their business and their clients' business. Do you see that?
Well, I think it's making us think harder about what happens in a screen that's only this big, and how do you make an impact in a consumer's day and make them feel like they're getting an immersive experience. And we can't, I was talking to some of your team members earlier today, we can't continue to rely on this small little banner ad at the bottom of the page because that's not really going to do anything.
What do you think they rely on you guys the most for? What kind of guidance do they need?
So I think they're still looking for us to provide a good deal of guidance in making sure they're engaging in the right way at the right time.
And are they creating assets specifically for mobile, or are we still in the place where we're...
So in some cases, yes, in some cases, no, right? So I think if we look at the flex and lean standards that we got from the IAB recently, I think there's an opportunity for us to make sure that we have assets that work across all of the different screens and all of the different platforms, again, to create that consistency for consumers and to make sure that the brand message is real. And then in moments where you do want to create that interactivity, where you want to give them something special, where you want to give them a surprise within the mobile experience, then yes, we do need to create custom assets. But it's about picking and choosing the right moments to do that.
What kinds of results are they looking for this year that maybe they hadn't in the past?
So I think all clients are looking to the bottom line. I think we're in an economy of making sure that every working media dollar is truly working hard, but I don't think clients have the leisure any longer to just let the media run.
Yeah, I think it seems to me that it's the #1 problem in the industry right now.
Finding talent?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Top talent. So
top talent is really hard to find.
Tell us about recruiting and a little bit about how you go about that, because it's a big challenge.
I think, the best way you can go about recruiting is making sure that you are hiring somebody that, yes, has the skill set that you're looking for, but also has the appetite to work on the problems that you want them to be there to solve. And so we spend a lot of time looking for those cultural fits, people that are going to make sure that we're going to be able to make sure are in it with us, because we are, as one of my clients says, no divas, no wallflowers. We're looking for people who are willing to roll up their sleeves and problem solve. And we are continuing in this industry, I think, to solve problems that we've never seen before. So it is, what's the new problem today, and how do we find a solution for it? Not, oh yeah, we know this problem, we'll run that report for you. There is no the same anymore.
Amazing. So you're in this position that a lot of people, it's aspirational for them, and they look at you as a leader, and rightly so in the industry. What advice do you have for some of these kids, men or women, coming into the industry, just starting off their careers, because it can be a little overwhelming?
It can be a little overwhelming. My advice is take every opportunity you can to learn. Learn about every different facet of the industry. The more you know about the different dots that exist within our industry, the more you can start to connect them in new and interesting ways. And innovation is always going to come from connecting existing dots in new and different ways.
That's awesome. Shenan, thank you so much.
My pleasure, as always.
Loved it.